Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best heavy-duty pedestal fan on the market, the Lasko Oscillating Cyclone Pedestal Fan, Model 1843. This fan is designed for those who want powerful airflow combined with convenience and style, perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, and home offices. Right off the bat, the Lasko Cyclone stands out with its impressive 18-inch blade diameter that delivers strong air circulation, pushing up to 1,854 cubic feet of air per minute. Whether you're trying to cool down a large room or just want a steady breeze, this fan handles it with ease. It features 3 quiet speed settings, giving you control over the airflow intensity so you can adjust it just how you like it. One of the biggest advantages of this fan is its adjustable height, which can be set anywhere up to 54 inches. This means you can customize it to blow air exactly where you need it. The fan head also tilts, allowing you to direct airflow up or down, which is great for targeted cooling. The Lasko Cyclone includes a wide-angle oscillation feature, which helps to distribute air evenly across your space. This oscillation covers a large area, making it ideal for cooling both small and large rooms efficiently. The oscillation can be turned on or off depending on your preference, giving you flexibility in how the air moves. Convenience is a key factor here. The fan comes with an easy-to-use remote control that lets you manage the power, speed settings, and a built-in 4-hour timer from anywhere in the room. This means you can set the fan to run for a specific period and have it turn off automatically, saving energy and adding peace of mind when you're falling asleep or leaving the room. Safety has not been overlooked either. The Lasko Cyclone is equipped with Lasko's Blue Plug safety feature. This built-in mechanism cuts off electrical current if a hazardous fault is detected, ensuring safer operation in your home or office. Assembly is straightforward and tool-free, which means you can get your fan up and running quickly without the hassle of complicated instructions or extra parts. The fan is powered by a standard corded connection with a 72-inch cable, so you have plenty of reach to position it where it's most effective. It runs on 120 volts and consumes 60 watts of power, making it energy efficient for everyday use. In terms of design, the fan sports a sleek black finish with a subtle Art Deco style that fits nicely into modern home aesthetics without drawing too much attention. Its lightweight build at just under 10 pounds means you can easily move it from room to room as needed. To sum it up, the Lasko Oscillating Cyclone Pedestal Fan is a robust, versatile, and user-friendly solution for anyone looking to enhance air circulation and cooling in their home or office. Its combination of strong airflow, adjustable features, safety measures, and remote convenience truly makes it stand out as the best heavy-duty pedestal fan. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.